Your phone already has an AI assistant, but most people are missing the one that can actually help them think, write, plan, and solve problems. Claude AI fits in your pocket. And if you only use it like Google search, you're missing almost everything it can do. The Claude app works on iPhone and Android. You can download it, sign in, and start using it without needing a paid plan. At first, it looks simple, just a chat window. But that simple chat can become a writing assistant, research helper, planner, tutor, and problem solver. Here are some practical ways to use it. First, writing. How many times have you thought of an email, message, or idea, then completely forgot about it later? Open Claude. Tell it what you're trying to say. It can help draft emails, posts, replies, ideas, and outlines right from your phone. You don't need perfect prompts. Just explain what you need like you're talking to another person. Second, stop typing everything. Use your phone's microphone. Speak your ideas into Claude. This is where mobile AI starts feeling different. Walking outside? Sitting in your car? Have an idea? Say it. Claude can organize messy thoughts into something useful. Third, use Claude with screenshots and documents. This is one of the features most people ignore. Take a confusing email, a document, a bill. Take a screenshot, upload it, and ask, explain this in simple terms. Claude can help summarize what's important and tell you what you're actually looking at. Fourth, use Claude as a decision helper. Shopping for something, planning something, trying to compare options. Instead of searching through 20 different pages, ask Claude to help you think through it. You can ask follow-up questions, you can add details, you can have an actual conversation. Here's a simple workflow you can try tomorrow morning. Open Claude and say, help me pick my top 3 priorities for today. That's it, 2 minutes. Instead of starting the day reacting to everything, you start with a plan. Another powerful use is learning. Pick anything you've wanted to understand. Ask Claude. Explain this like you're teaching a beginner. Then keep asking questions. You don't have to worry about asking too many. That's the point. Now let's talk about Claude Projects. This is where Claude gets even more useful. Instead of starting from zero every conversation, projects let you organize information around specific areas. Work, writing, planning, a business idea, a personal goal. You can give Claude background information so that project already has context when you return. Think of it like separate workspaces for different parts of your life. A few quick tips. Talk normally. You don't need complicated AI commands. If the answer isn't right, tell Claude what to change. Say, make it shorter. Make it more casual. Explain it easier. Claude works best when you treat it like a conversation. The Claude mobile app isn't just another app on your phone. It's a tool that can help you think, create, organize, and learn wherever you are. Most people still haven't realized what's sitting in their pocket. Subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's Claude AI workflow. Hit the like button if this helped you out. I'll see you in the next one.